Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Kawasaki Z500. The year 2025 marks a significant milestone for Kawasaki as it unveils the highly anticipated Kawasaki Z500, setting a new standard in the sport motorcycles segment. Designed to blend raw power with cutting-edge technology, the Z500 promises to redefine exhilaration on two wheels for riders worldwide. Design and performance. The Kawasaki Z500 exudes a muscular and aggressive stance, reflecting its sporty DNA with a blend of futuristic styling cues. Powered by a potent 500 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, the Z500 delivers exhilarating performance with smooth power delivery across all rev ranges. Its lightweight chassis and precise handling characteristics make it a formidable contender on both twisty mountain roads and bustling city streets, offering riders unparalleled agility and control. Technological innovation. Setting itself apart in the competitive landscape of 2025, the Kawasaki Z500 integrates advanced technology to enhance both performance and safety. Riders can fine-tune their riding experience with multiple selectable riding modes, ensuring optimal performance in various conditions. The inclusion of traction control and ABS braking system further enhances rider confidence and control, making the Z500 accessible to riders of all skill levels. Comfort and ergonomics. Recognizing the importance of rider comfort during long rides, Kawasaki has equipped the Z500 with a redesigned ergonomic layout. A sculpted seat and adjustable suspension settings provide optimal comfort and support, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys without fatigue. The aerodynamic design not only enhances the bike's aesthetics but also contributes to improved stability at high speeds, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride experience. Market impact and availability. Anticipation for the Kawasaki Z500 is palpable among motorcycle enthusiasts, with its imminent release scheduled in major global markets in 2025. Positioned competitively within its segment, the Z500 is poised to attract riders seeking a perfect blend of performance, style, and reliability. With its robust feature set and aggressive pricing strategy, Kawasaki aims to solidify its reputation as a leader in sport motorcycle innovation. Conclusion. As Kawasaki continues to push the boundaries of sport motorcycle engineering, the Z500 emerges as a beacon of performance and style in 2025. With its striking design, advanced technology suite, and uncompromising performance, the Kawasaki Z500 promises to redefine expectations for sport motorcycles, offering riders an exhilarating combination of power, agility, and refinement. Whether carving through winding roads or navigating urban landscapes, the Z500 invites riders to embrace the thrill of the ride with confidence and excitement, setting a new standard for sport motorcycles in the years ahead.